Welcome to Caching Waves. Today we're looking at HBAR Hedera Hashgraph. I'm on the Binance exchange and my time zone's UTC -4 if you want to track along with me. First of all, I just wanted to show you my primary accounts on the daily chart. First primary is we have a 5-wave move to the downside, in which case we're currently working on the 4th wave in a 3-wave pattern, either an ABC or a WXY, where C will equal A 1-to-1. Around 11 cents. My second primary is we get a WXY to the upside, in which case we would be targeting between the 50 and the 618, between around 14 cents and 20 cents, in which case we would look for further downside. And my bullish count has us starting the 3rd wave of a leading diagonal, in which case we'd be targeting up around 13-14 cents once completed. Now, based on those counts, I wanted to show you a trade setup potential on the lower time frames. This is the hourly chart. Now, last time I updated you guys, it was about 2 days ago, I called this the end of the leading diagonal. I had the 5th. I had the 5th wave over here, and clearly that wasn't a 5th wave. It didn't take enough time for the correction. As you can see, if this is a leading diagonal and it ended here, it was just way too fast in time. I mean, we didn't even hit the 0.236 in a corrective manner. So there's no way that can be the 1-2 here. It's just way too fast, way too unlikely. And we were looking for an ABC down, and we were looking for a short at the B level down. So we didn't get any of that. We weren't in the trade at all. We were just sidelined. So after the move over the weekend here, I believe we're still on the 5th wave, where you have an ABC up, 3-wave move, 3-wave move, 3-wave move, and we're getting a 3-wave move before our correction. And whether or not this is the case remains to be said, but there is a trade setup available. Now, this can obviously always turn into something else. We could have complex corrections. We can have a WX, and we're working on 5 waves up. There's a lot of options available, but when I have an option available for a trade, I take it, whether I'm right or wrong, as long as the setup is there. Just a little bit about my trading methods. Now, me personally, I never risk more than 1% of my trading account. If you're doing anything over that, my view is you're over leveraging, unless you have the ability, this is just money you're willing to lose. So I'm going to take a trade here very shortly, and I'll show you how I'm going to be doing that. So first of all, on the 4-hour, we have slight divergence between this wave and the last high. So that gives us a little bit of positivity on our trade. Not a lot, but it's something to look at. Getting even closer. If this is an A wave, we'd look for 5 waves up. So we could have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could get another move up and look for divergence on the 15-minute here on the RSI, and that could be our entry here. Either way, I'm going to be taking this trade just because the risk reward is so good at this level, and our invalidation is at, look at the linear, 665 log 682. So I'm going to be entering here and putting my stop at the 682. And what this is the third wave would be the shortest of this pattern if we pass that level, which would invalidate our leading diagonal once we pass that level. I would check this on whatever exchange you're using. All you got to do is make sure you're right on the pivots, but take the extension tool of the third wave, extend it off the fourth, and that'll give you your 1-to-1. So wherever the 1-to-1, 1 cent past that is going to be your invalidation for the leading diagonal. And if that invalidates, I would assume we have some sort of more complex correction to the upside, where we have like a 3 wave, an X, and we're working on another 3 up. But this is a great risk reward trade currently available to us, so we just take what we're given, and currently that's a short. I'm going to take a little piece now and add if we go any higher. I'm going to look for the 50, about 3-to-1 on this trade. Might let it go a little longer, but that's my target currently. So there you have it, guys. That's the trade setup for HBAR I'm taking. Remember, manage your risk. Don't ever over leverage. Don't put yourself in a dangerous position. This is just what I'm doing. I don't suggest you do it. And your stop should go at the 1-to-1 of that third wave. Thanks for watching, guys.